Welcome to the Riskwiser Zone, the podcast where we dive into the world of stocks and finance to help you make informed decisions about your investments. We're starting off with a look at some recent earnings calls from various companies. It's always interesting to see how executives present their company's performance and what insights they can offer into the current market trends. Let's take a look at a few examples. First up, we have AIDailyPress' third quarter earnings call, where the chairman, president, and CEO, Gerald Shelton, discussed the company's revenue and EPS. The company reported a revenue of $44.23 million, which was a beat of $322 million, and an EPS of $0.41, which was a beat of $0.42. Next, we have Oportun Financial's third quarter earnings call, where the CEO, Raul Vazquez, discussed the company's originations growth and adjusted ROE attainment. The company reported a planned products and services expansion and business strategy for future operations. We also have Cryoport's third quarter earnings call, where the senior VP and CFO, Robert Stefanovich, discussed the company's expense savings measures and plans for future operations. The company reported a revenue of $44.23 million, which was a beat of $3.02 million. It's worth noting that while these companies have reported some positive results, there are also some challenges ahead. As always, it's essential to do your own research and consider multiple sources before making any investment decisions. We'll be keeping an eye on these developments and bringing you more updates as the story unfolds. We'll be right back with more from the world of stocks and finance on the Riskwiser Zone. Welcome back to the Riskwiser Zone. We're halfway through our show, and I'm excited to dive into our middle segment. Today, we're discussing a crucial aspect of personal finance that can make or break your financial stability. As we've been exploring ways to mitigate risks and make informed decisions, it's essential to examine the importance of year-end financial planning. As the year comes to a close, many of us are thinking about our finances and how we can optimize them for the upcoming year. A recent article highlighted 9 key areas to focus on for year-end financial planning. These include maximizing tax-advantaged accounts, such as 401ks and IRAs, paying down high-interest debt, and reassessing taxable investment accounts. It's also crucial to review your insurance coverage, including health, life, and disability insurance, to ensure you have adequate protection in place. Additionally, consider refinancing large loans, such as mortgages or car loans, to take advantage of lower interest rates. Another critical aspect is tax planning. With the tax filing deadline approaching, it's essential to gather all necessary documents and consult with a financial advisor to minimize your tax liability. This may include harvesting tax losses, donating to charity, or utilizing other tax-saving strategies. Furthermore, it's vital to review your budget and make adjustments as needed. Identify areas where you can cut back on unnecessary expenses and allocate that money towards savings, debt repayment, or investments. Ultimately, year-end financial planning is about being proactive and taking control of your financial situation. By addressing these key areas, you can set yourself up for success in the upcoming year and make progress towards your long-term financial goals. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting to build your financial foundation, it's essential to stay informed and adapt to changing market conditions. By doing so, you can navigate the complexities of personal finance and make informed decisions that align with your risk tolerance and objectives. Welcome back to the Riskwiser Zone. We've got some exciting news to wrap up today's show. In the world of tech, Amazon has just announced a massive $38 billion deal with OpenAI, granting the ChatGPT developer access to hundreds of thousands of NVIDIA's AI chips through its cloud computing infrastructure. This partnership is set to propel OpenAI's AI workloads to new heights, and it's a significant win for Amazon's cloud segment, Amazon Web Services. But that's not all. We're also seeing some notable movements in the stock market. Amazon stock jumped 4% on the news, while NVIDIA's stock also saw a boost. This deal is just the latest in a string of partnerships and agreements for OpenAI, which has been making waves in the tech industry with its AI capabilities. Meanwhile, Kenvue shares are also making headlines, thanks to a vote of confidence from Jim Cramer. The famed investor sees the company's transaction with Kimberly-Clark as a major positive and believes that the stock is undervalued. With a dividend yield of 5.1% and a moderate buy rating from Wall Street analysts, Kenvue might be worth keeping an eye on. As we close out today's show, it's clear that the tech industry is moving at a rapid pace, with new partnerships and innovations emerging every day. While there are certainly opportunities for growth and investment, it's essential to approach these developments with caution and careful consideration. That's all for today's Riskwiser Zone. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, keep your finances in check.